Hi everyone, welcome back to KTB Creates. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I thought I would just show you the restyling of my patio. Most of the stuff I already had, but then I did a few, actually just this DIY with the pots from the Dollar Tree, and then I decided to put it all together. I enjoy my patio so much that I thought I would share it with you, so I hope you like it. This is a really quick DIY. I wanted to add some color that matched with some of the pillows that I had for my patio. So I bought these Dollar Tree pots. They were in a pretty pink color, but I wanted that blue, that light blue color. So I am just using some Rust-Oleum spray paint and spray painting them both. And then I am going to add one on top of the other. They do come with little holes that you can poke out for drainage. So that's what I'm doing right here, just so that they drain a little bit. I didn't poke out all of the holes. And then all I'm going to do is take some of my Gorilla Glue and just glue the pots together. Just make sure when you're spray painting them, you do spray paint the inside of the top pot, so you don't see any of the old color. So once that glue had dried, this is a little tip that I always use for my pots, and I add used plastic water bottles to the bottom of the pots, especially like really big ones, for two reasons. It gives the plants some good drainage. It doesn't add a lot of weight, and then you're not wasting a ton of potting soil. So then I'm filling up the pot, probably I would say about halfway is just the potting soil, because that's all you really need for some simple flowers and plants. So that's all I did, and then I'm gonna go ahead and plant some pretty little flowers. It took me forever to find these. Are vinca vines, and they are a great filler for pots, and they trail. I just always loved them, but I couldn't find them this year. And then I'm just going to add some different flowering plants in and around it. I just love to plant flowers, but oftentimes I don't have enough time to do it. So that's why this video is so late, because it kind of took me forever to get it all set up and find the time to actually plant the flowers. I don't know if any of you go through that as well, but we have limited summertime here in Pennsylvania. And then I wanted to show you this hammock that I bought off of Amazon. If I could still find it on Amazon, I will definitely put the link in the description box, because I did buy this several years ago before we even had this patio, and I love it. It is a smaller hammock, so it doesn't take up a ton of space because we don't have a ton of space in our backyard. It is super easy to put together. You see, I'm just screwing in these screws. There's like 5 or 6 pieces, I think, total. And then it comes in a little carrying bag that you could pack it away for the winter. And the cloth hammock you could put out when you want to use it. But it is one of my favorite pieces. It is so comfy. You could just take a little nap in it. It's great. So I'm starting out by moving all of the furniture. I had bought this furniture at Sears, again, a few years ago. It's a beautiful set, very comfy. It holds up really, really nice. But I did also buy a patio mat. So you'll see in a second, I'm going to be putting that down. So I'm just sweeping away all the brush and everything that gets on the patio. But this patio mat is really cool. It is reversible, and it's made of like a plastic material. So it's not a carpet. It's not a carpet material. It folds up nicely. You could put it away for the winter, but it holds up really well because it is plastic. So it doesn't get moldy. I don't have a roof over this, so I needed something that would stand up in the elements. So I love this mat. Again, I got it on Amazon. If I could find the link, I will definitely put it in the description box. And then I'm just going to put together the patio with the pieces of furniture again, just so you can see what it looks like. And then that big square piece there too is our fire pit. So that's just the cover for the fire pit. which again was a great addition to the patio for those cool summer nights. And so now I'm just going to add all of our cushions and get it all set up. Again, another great find that I found this resin, I don't know if it's Rubbermaid, I don't remember the brand, but it's that big bin there, and that's what holds all of our cushions, because again, there's no roof, so I don't want them to get ruined quickly. So it's huge and it holds so much. So I decided to move our hammock over into the corner and set that up there. And I just love the way it all turned out. I love my little flowers. I have to say I did use these are Dollar Tree baskets with the coconut filler. And they're very small, but I have to say I'm pretty impressed with them. They held up great. The flowers are growing beautifully. So definitely grab those if you have space for them. And then I added this cute little clematis here. I've always wanted one. And my neighbor put up this makeshift white fence. He's a great guy, but I hate the way it looks. So I'm hoping to spread that clematis over that fence. And then this is what everything looks like all set up with all of the cushions and pillows out. Again, I'm so happy with it. I hope to spend many beautiful summer nights out here just hanging out with the family and enjoying it. So I hope this brought some inspiration to you, and you can maybe spruce up your patio or your front porch to get it ready for summer and enjoy some beautiful weather. So let me know what you think in that description box below. Give it a big like if you enjoyed this video. I know it's something different, but like I said, I just wanted to share what my outdoor space looks like. So thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I hope you're enjoying a lovely, beautiful summer. Bye-bye.